Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and today we're making a grilled chicken caprese salad. It's fast, easy, healthy, and most important, delicious. Well, are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. The first thing you want to do is take your chicken breast and slice it in half. Throw it in a bowl and put 1/4 of a cup of the Skinny Girl balsamic vinaigrette all over it. Mix it up really good, cover it up, stick it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to marinate. Next, take your chicken out of the fridge and let's preheat the Ninja Foodi. Hit bake 375 degrees for 5 minutes. Let's get preheating. All right, we've preheated the Ninja Foodi. Let's put our chicken in. Now we're gonna bake at 375 degrees for 15 minutes, but let's check it after 10 minutes. While that's cooking, let's get the caprese together. Start off with a tomato. Since I'm only making 2 servings, only cut 4 slices. Next, let's slice up some mozzarella cheese. The easy peel. Easy peel my rear end. Long pieces are for the chicken, short pieces are for me right now. Hey, gotta taste it while you wait, right? Next, you're gonna want basil. If you can find fresh, use fresh, it's better. Of course, my store was out, so I bought this gourmet garden little thing of basil that's already chopped up. See that? Smells fantastic though. And last but definitely not least, balsamic glaze. Yes, you can make it at home in the camper, which is what I'm geared for. I don't want to deal with all of that. $5 a bottle, this will last me a long time. Easy. Now you might be wondering what all this stuff is. Well, for a side dish, I'm gonna make a delicious little side salad where I use spinach, baby arugula, a little bit of tomatoes. I'm gonna throw in some of these maple glazed pecan dates and apples, a little Parmesan crisp instead of croutons. And back to the Skinny Girl. Their poppy seed dressing is amazing. No sugar, no fat, 10 calories, can't beat that. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's get a temperature of that chicken. That looks good. I love the smell of balsamic vinegar too. Go into the thickest part of the chicken. 170, we're good. That's why you check it after 10 minutes. Now go ahead and throw a piece of that mozzarella cheese on the chicken. Let's use the smaller piece for the smaller chicken. Now let's broil it for 1 minute. All right, timer went off. Cheese is getting all melty and bubbly. Let's throw a tomato on top of each piece of chicken. Let's broil it for 1 more minute. Now that the timer's gone off, let it sit in there for just a couple more minutes. Let that cheese continue to melt without cooking the chicken anymore. It's been 2 minutes now. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, cheese is melted all over the chicken, touching the bottoms there. We're good to go. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Now let's take a little of that balsamic glaze. Just kind of put it right over the top like that. Get you a little of that basil. sprinkle it right on top. That's looking serious, isn't it? Now let's get that side salad going. Drop in some of those maple glazed pecan pieces, dates, and apples. It's found in the salad section at Walmart. They have different flavors. I like the way this one tastes. Just put about 2 tablespoons in. About a tablespoon of the dressing. Great, another child-proof seal. Then toss the salad. I like to put a lid on this and just shake it on up. Now grab those Parmesan crisps. And sprinkle them on top. Of course, don't cover up those beautiful tomatoes. All right, let's give it a try. Don't need a knife for this one. Let's get a little tomato and cheese and basil. There we go, finally, huh? If you like caprese salad, that's amazing. All the flavors, the freshness, the chicken, the balsamic, that is fantastic, guys. Now, I love caprese salad, and that has all the elements of everything I love about it. I love the balsamic glaze, the mozzarella, the basil, the tomato. Add that protein of that grilled chicken that was marinated in balsamic. Man, that tastes fantastic. Add a side salad to it, and guess what? Something that was fast, something that was easy, something that is most delicious, and something healthy. Well, I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Let's eat. Or as my granddaughter would say,
are you hungry? Good, let's eat.
Couldn't have said it any better myself. Love you, Beller.